Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you some live swatches and also a review on the new Too Faced Gingerbread palette. I got this for Christmas this year and it is absolutely stunning, so let's just hope it lives up to what's inside. So this is what the palette looks like, a really stunning sort of orangey brown gingerbread palette. Love the little gingerbread man on the front, he's so cute. And let's open her up. And that is what the palette looks like. Really gorgeous colours. Can't wait to swatch these. As you can see, the colours are to die for. Cannot wait to jump into this one here called Hot Toddy. If anyone knows what that actually means, do let me know, because I've never heard of that. So I'm assuming these are all Christmas related names for the palette. So let's maybe jump straight in and do some swatches. So the first colour is called Powdered Sugar. It's quite a pale colour, so it may not show up on my really pasty arm. Okay. Just put a couple more layers on that one. The second colour is called Spiked Eggnog, which is this really gorgeous, really nice actually, champagne gold colour. Next we have this hot pink matte colour called Gumdrop. A little bit powdery. Might need to do a couple of layers of that one. So that one there is called Gumdrop. Next up we have the colour Gingerbread. It's a really toasty warm brown. It's a really nice colour there. Let's give that a couple of layers. Then we have Warm and Toasty, which is a really rich yellow gold. That is really nice for a metallic. And the last one on the top row is called Ooh Burn. Ooh Burn, look at that. That's a really nice colour. It's also got like a hint of really finely milled glitter in there. Really nice. Next up we have the colour Frost Bite Me, which is a metallic white, really shimmery. That'd be nice for under eyebrow highlight. Then we have Looky at My Cookie, a random one. Again like a matte peachy brown. This one don't really show much, but I'll do a couple of layers for that one. And then we have Spice is Nice, which is this really gorgeous burnt orange colour. Oh, that's so nice. Really nice matte shade. Then we have the colour Oh Snap. Ooh. I don't really show up. We'll do another layer. Average. So the next one we got is Bake It Till You Make It, which is a really gorgeous metallic. Oh, that is a nice metallic actually, quite like that one. And the last one of the second row is called Spice of Life, which is again another metallic. That's like an olive green colour. That's a really nice shade. It's a shame because the metallics are a lot better than a couple of these mattes. So let's go into the last row. So next is Sugar Daddy, which is a pale matte pink. May not see it quite well on my skin. Then we've got the colour Figgy Pudding, which is a purple. A little bit powdery. And then Hot Toddy, which is the one I was really excited for. And oh my god, that's so nice. So the metallics are really nice in this palette. Then we got Reindeer Paws, which is a deep matte. Just there for you. Next we have Gingerbread Latte, a nice matte brown. That one swatched really nice. And then last up is Spiced Rum. Okay. So that is all of the colours. So obviously I don't have to pay too much attention to swatches because obviously they could work different on the eye. So I think the best thing to do now is jump into an eye look. So taking the colour Gingerbread Latte on my Spectrum B06, I'm going to be placing this onto the outer corner and into my crease. Then taking the colour Gingerbread, still on the same brush, I'm going to be putting this just over the top, just to give it a bit more depth. Taking the colour Spice is Nice on my Spectrum Smudger brush, which is the A12. I'm just going to press in this into the lower part of my outer corner. Then going back in with the B06, just going to blend that upwards. Taking that gorgeous colour Hot Toddy, I'm going to be placing this onto the centre of my lid with my finger. So you just want to pack that on with short pressing motions. Oh, that colour is so nice. Just taking that into my inner corner and softly feathering it out to the outer corner. Going back in with that smudger brush and taking Spice is Nice, I'm just going to be going above Hot Toddy just to soften the line. Then taking the colour Reindeer Paws on the same smudger brush, I'm just going to press this on the lower part of my outer corner just here. Then going back in with a B06 and just softening that up. So taking this colour by Urban Decay, it's the Heavy Metals Glitter Sticks in the colour Volume. I just want to give it a little bit of kick, so I just want a little bit of glitter in the centre of my lid. So you just want to gently do really small fine strokes just over the lid and feathering out to the outer corner. And now I've just got to sit with my eyes shut and let that dry.
2,000 years later.
Okay, so now that is all set and looking all glitz and glam, I'm going to do my eyeliner off camera and I'll be right back. So taking the colours Gingerbread and Gingerbread Latte, I'm going to be putting this underneath my lower lash line. So you just want to run it right under there. Oh, it's so tingly. Just to connect the top and the bottom. Then with that same heavy metal eyeliner from Urban Decay in the colour Volume, I'm just going to be placing this in the centre underneath the lower lash line. Like so. So taking my A13, I will be dipping into the colour Spiked Eggnog, and this will be placed underneath my brow bone. Taking the lashes by Peaches in Cream, so I'm just going to be placing that onto my lash line like so. Okay, so lashes are all on. So quite happy with this look. So yeah, I'm going to do my hair and I'll be back in a mo, and then I'll give you my final thoughts on if this palette is worth it or not. Okay, so is this worth it? I'll probably say yeah. I mean, it is a really nice, stunning palette. The only negative I'm probably going to say is that there's no black. I find black's quite essential in a makeup palette because I don't always use eyeliner, especially on brides. The colour range is really nice. Again, another negative, I'd probably say a bit powdery.
Stupid!
But that's not always a bad thing. The colours performed really well on my eyes. I'd say I'm quite happy with the end result from the colours that I used. So yeah, I would probably say this probably is worth the money, and I'd say I probably would recommend this to clients as well as friends and family. That being said, I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, and until next time I shall see you soon. Thanks guys!